Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to set my live wallpaper on Redmi mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first you have to move on setting, then from here you have to scroll down. Just keep scrolling, not so much, to wallpaper. After that, on the side you can see this is the profile, so just move on profile. Then here you have to click again on wallpaper. Okay, after that, here is the my life wallpaper. The first option, click on my life wallpaper, and here is the your life wallpaper. See, just select on any life wallpaper, and here is the apply option. Click on apply. When you click on apply option, there is the three icons. The first option is the set as lock screen, second is the home screen, third for the both lock and home screen. So if you want to set for the lock screen, just click on lock screen, the first option, and this my life wallpaper will be set successfully on your mobile phone, right? And friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video, and subscribe the channel. And thanks for watching.